Hello, everyone. Today we are going to be talking about mobile apps for mental health. My name is Angelica Almeida.
My name is Mila Hernandez.
My name is Herman Wershing.
Okay, so another overview of our presentation. We are going to be looking at an overview of mHealth and what it is and how it applies to mental health. Next, we're going to talk about populations that would benefit from this technology. Then we're going to talk about treatments, seeing typical mental health interventions. Next, we're going to look at examples of approved mental health applications. And finally, we're going to look at implications for the future. So first, what is mental health? What is mHealth? mHealth is short for mobile health, and it refers to any technology or mobile technology that enables real-time behavioral, psychological, and physiological data to be gathered in increasingly precise and unobtrusive ways. So think your Apple Watch tracking your blood pressure. Then, as it relates to mental health, a mental health app is any tool that can be accessed via your smartphone or any other mobile device, laptop, tablet, that can focus on improving different aspects of mental health and well-being. For example, self-monitoring apps for eating disorders, mindfulness apps, journaling, etc.
So these are the populations that would benefit from using applications like these. The first would be youth, such as like young adults or even teenagers, because they tend to be more comfortable with technology use and they may even prefer it to like actually going to a therapist in person. Next would be low income populations, people who don't have money to spare for therapist appointments, as they can get quite expensive. And lastly is rural populations who may find driving to like a therapist a little too difficult and may take too long, or they might not even like online therapy. They may find it too difficult. Next. And then we have the treatments that are normal for mental health. These are the ones that everyone should be doing as well as using these apps. It's like a secondary tool. So they include things like medication, which is antipsychotics or antidepressants, therapies of different kinds like cognitive behavioral, exposure, or dialectical behavior. And some people also find that support groups are helpful, where they talk about their experiences and talk about recovery.
So for applications, we want to explore how the different apps help with these different mental disorders. So obviously there's a variety of different mental disorders. So from anxiety to depression to PTSD to eating disorders, we want to explore how there's a variety of apps that each help different types of mental health disorders. So now we want to go ahead and demonstrate our app. So what we ideally would do is download one of the apps in our phones and then do an active screen share in class, so we can actually go ahead and like show the class how each app, like the app works, and how would a person using the app would go ahead and do that. So the future of health, we want to explore this as well. I think AI is a big topic in any technological uh industry, and mHealth is no different. I mean, apps, they're increasing greatly, and apps serve as a great way to introductory tool as well for mobile health. So, but we still need a lot of research to verify how that compares to other self-help tools. But it's also important to note that these apps do not replace actual therapy sessions, so we would like to actually explore that as well.
Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you.